If you are like me and you're on the internet a lot and you are looking at lawn stuff a lot, your Facebook feed is probably full of advertisements like mine is for things like this. This is called GROTRACks, and I've been seeing tons and tons of ads for this GROTRACks all over my Facebook feed.
Oh no, your lawn is a nightmare with pet spots and dead spots everywhere. Laying sod is a backbreaking chore and spreading seed is a pain. Birds eat the seed and it's washed away by rain. Not anymore. Now there's GROTRACks, the amazing professional grade grass growing technology. You simply roll, water, and watch it grow. For a great looking lawn you're going to love.
And so I kind of fell for the gimmicky marketing and decided, hey, why not try it out and see if this stuff actually works. So today I'm going to show you what I'm doing with it, and then we'll see if this actually works. I think it's one of those things that looks like it's too good to be true. So I guess we'll find out. So let's see. So they market this stuff as the like miracle cure-all, fix-all, super simple, put it down and it just fills itself in. So I'm really interested to see, does it actually work? I'm sure there's plenty of you guys out there that have wondered similar things. So today we're gonna show you how they say to use it. So the marketing says the grass grows where you roll it. So it says it's light and easy to install, seed won't wash away, it's a weed barrier, precision seed coverage, and it's non-perishable. So covers 50 square feet, and I think I paid like 35 bucks for this, so it's not cheap. But if you're like me and have just a couple of bare spots that you want to fill in, it may be a good solution. I don't think that this is obviously a put in your entire lawn using this option at all, but it may be a good option if you want to seed a couple of bare spots. What do you think? Do you agree? Dakota agrees. Let's try it out. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. So nice and easy to open. There's a little band here. Cut that.
What do you think?
Get out of the way.
What is that?
It's grass.
It's
So
you will wet and you will understand.
yeah, you just roll it out. So you take off the cover, cut a little band, and then it just rolls out. It's really easy to tear. So you can just tear off pieces and then put them in the area that you want to seed. So you're just supposed to put it in place, water it, and then over the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna have lush green grass, according to what it says. So let's put some down. So now, all we have to do is water the stuff in. Guys, as you can see, it's down, it's watered in. This is what it looks like up close when you water it. You can see it conforms to the ground, soaks up the water. You can see, if you look real close, you can see the seeds and stuff in there. That's kind of cool. And you know, I'll update over the next couple of days or a couple of weeks and see if it's really the miracle cure that it says that it is. So we'll see, who knows? I think this is pretty cool. If it works, I think it's a really cool idea to have as like a little patch kit. And if it doesn't work, I mean, I wasted 35 bucks. So hopefully if I wasted 35 bucks, you won't waste 35 bucks. But I'm actually, I actually really like the idea. So probably a gimmick, I don't know. We'll wait around and see. My yard looks crazy though. Looks really weird. It really looks like kind of like hydro seeding. So, all right guys, it's 3 days since I put down the Grotracks. So let's go look and see what it's looking like. It was raining all day yesterday. It's kind of rainy this morning, but here's what we're looking at. It's starting to, as you can see, it's starting to dissolve a little bit more. So it's really in place now. I'm not worried about it going anywhere. Obviously, 3 days in, no germination or anything. Here we are like a month and a half later. You want to know if they work? The answer, no. They don't work at all. Those things freaking suck. All right, folks, so here we are. It has been 3 months or so since I first put down the Grotracks. So I wanted to show you what the Bermuda version of Grotracks did in my lawn. So the answer is not really that much. You can see I've got patches, pretty much the same patches of not filled in grass. So I'd say as far as the Bermuda version of Grotracks, don't waste your money. At least that's my experience. Hopefully you find this video interesting or helpful or something. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, all that good YouTube stuff. I appreciate you guys. I love you, and I will see you in the next video.